Nagulat kayo, no? Kala nyo si Ayo Abrenica to. Hindi, si Neroy Quintas nga pala. So, by the way, again, my name is Neroy Quintas, reporting on the broadband on internet usage. So, before we tackle all about the broadband, may papanood muna ako sa inyo.
Great speed. Great coverage. Great technology. Malaysia's #1 mobile broadband. Join us.
So, napanood nyo na ang broadband na related sa report namin. So, I will discuss the history. So, but before we go into the broadband topic, we proceed to the beginning of the internet. So, alam naman natin, the internet is more powerful dahil dito na tayo kumukuha ng mga information or anything na kailangan natin. So, at di nyo ba alam, noong 1950s, ang mga US military, ang kauna-unahang nakadiscover ng internet, which is, hindi pa siya tinatawag na internet, which is, ginagamit lang nila as communication network. Alam niyo yung mga military na nangangailangan ng mga connection from the other barracks. So, yun yung ginagamit nila. So, dumating na dito yung panahon ng 1960s, which is nabuo na yung ARPANET, and then pumasok na yung DARPA or United States Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, na sila yung nagbuo na ng internet, which is, did you know that Steve Crocker on 1970s, binuo niya ang TCP or IP na naging backbone protocol of the internet. Dito na nabuo yung internet connection, and then pumasok na dito yung mga network computers and servers. Yan. So, punta naman tayo sa internet becomes available. Noong 1980s, nabuo ito. And then, was already connect with everyone else. So, dito na nabuo yung connected to each other na may mga consumer na pumapasok na dito. And then, from the other is establishment, the research center, the universities, yan, nagkaroon na ng connection of internet. And then, pumasok na dito yung free business internet code. So, nabuo na dito yung dial-up, which allow residential to connect to the internet. Ito na yung sa mga bahay-bahay natin na nagkaroon na ng mga dial-up, through phone. Yan, di ba? Nauso na yan. So, sa mapapanood nyo, ito yung mga sample ng internet dial-up.
This is not just your bedroom. This is the stage where the world discovers you. This is not just your blog. It's the next big bestseller. Mga pangarap posible with the fastest internet at home and ultra-fast connection on the road. Only from Globe Broadband. And this online album,
lagi ko ka-IDD through internet yung girlfriend ko sa LA. Eh, ang bagal ng broadband ko. Asar! One time, sabi ni Bea,
Anong batayan sa pagpili ng broadband?
Siyempre, bilis.
Ang broadband dapat mabilis.
Kaya nag-Globe Broadband budget bundles ako. Bilis na ng broadband, may landline pa. Kung dati, ngayon, love you.
Magbuhay broadband na. Globe Broadband Budget Bundles.
Nung araw ang hirap ng buhay, pipila ka muna bago ka makapag-internet. Isa-isa lang ang pagpe-Friendster.
Ano yung Friendster?
Dito pa nga tayo nagsisiksikan para makapanood ng video dati, di ba?
Lola.
Huli ka, boy! Pertan nyo, mga
Iba na pag buhay Wi-Fi, internet na pwedeng i-share. Bagong bayan DSL Wi-Fi, call 449-2000.
So, yun yung mga sample na dial-up na napanood nyo, which is related to the internet. And then, dito na nagbunga yung the beginning of the broadband, which is 2000s. The broadband has been strength to strength and more faster and speed, which is dala-dala lang natin to. Ang advantage lang nito is dala-dala mo yung broadband. Siguro naman na nakaka-relate naman kayo sa broadband. And then, the internet server provider, the organization must be grow up. So, pinalawak nila yung broadband na yan na parang maging strongest internet connection na pwede mo siya dali-dalin anytime, anywhere, under the sun, under the rain. So, mga ganon. And then pumasok na yung broadband has become mainstream. So which is ang broadband become a buyer market. Naging sikat na siya sa lahat ng company. And then sinasabi nga na ito ay high-speed internet service in their homes. Dala-dala mo na nga. Kung hindi mo pa dala-dala, mabilis pa siya. And then parang siyang dial-up na connection sa phone. But, ito yung mga sample ng broadband dito sa Pilipinas. So, try to look at this.
As the world advances at the speed of thought, keep pace with the power of Sun Broadband Wireless. Get fast and reliable mobile internet for as low as 888 pesos. Now with the most affordable prepaid loads that are just right for you. Explore the World Wide Web. Whenever, wherever. Broadband speeds, metro-wide coverage, affordable internet. Get it all with Sun Broadband Wireless today. Expanding nationwide.
So, yan yung mga broadband samples. So, dumating na yung panahon na the broadband today and beyond. So, nagkaroon na ng more application which is related to the access becoming available. And then, we have a digital photos, downloading music, downloading videos, high-speed gaming, etc. Yan, pumasok na yung future ng broadband which is very bright. Diba? Nagkaroon na tayo ng connection from the home, nagkaroon pa ng business use also, and then mas kumalat pa, naging growth. Kaya lumaki na yung connection ng broadband sa lahat. So, yun lang po ang aking report. And I'm Nero Siquitos again. Thank you. And the next stop, Porter.